tell you. Gould, give me a fucking break.
But I could have helped you.
Yeah, right. Look, you wanna help? Help me find this guy. You're so sure he's the key to all of this.
No, the suit is. Alcatraz and the suit together. That's the weapon.
Yeah. Chino, anything?
Nothing, ma'am. Sweep complete. We're working our way back along shore.
I don't think we're... There! That's his signal! There he is!
No. Back to the vehicles. We got him. Over here! This way, over here!
Jesus. I thought you were at the bottom of the river for sure. So, bye-bye, Hargreave. I guess we're on our own.
Good to see you, man. Listen, I finally worked out.
Later, Professor, you could give the lecture on route. This way! Let's go!
Alcatraz. Man, you made it out.
Listen, Alcatraz, that chunk out of Prophet's memory, from the look of it, the set remains right under the reservoir in Central Park, and Prophet got in there. That's where the main spore regulator is. That's the trigger point. We get you, we get the suit inside there, we've got a shot at rolling back the whole invasion. But, we need to bust into the park while there's still time.
That's the channel, ma'am. Go ahead.
Colonel Barkley, this is Lieutenant Tara Strickland, seconded Special Operations Group. We are en route to Central Park with a weapon to wipe out the Ceph incursion. We have commandeered cell transport, but we need air support. Can you assist?
Miss Strickland, this is Barkley. Listen carefully. I just got out of a fight with the Pentagon, whose best idea right now is to drop a tactical nuclear strike on Manhattan.
Sir, that is insane. This city is still full of people. And there's Brooklyn, Jersey, the fallout. They can't...
They will, Miss Strickland. They see it as a necessary price to stop the Ceph. And I'm having a very hard time offering alternatives. Now, you have a very limited window in which to do whatever it is you plan to do. After that, do you understand, Miss Strickland?
Negative, sir. Professor Gould has convinced me we have a real shot at winning this, but we must act now. I repeat, can you assist?
Contact! Open fire! Oh, fuck! Drive! Drive! Hold channel, Lieutenant. I'll see what I can do. Got runners. 9 o'clock.
Alcatraz! Alcatraz, come in! God damn it, where's his signal? Alcatraz, if you can hear me, I'm triggering our GPS beacon. Get to higher ground, home in on our signal. We're pinned here. The Ceph are coming out of the woodwork everywhere. I'm gonna try to reach Barkley. Colonel Barkley, sir, where is my air support? We are pinned down here.
I have a ground assault jet inbound from McGuire to your position, but there's some kind of Ceph transmission screwing up the frequencies. The pilot will need targeting assistance. Is Alcatraz with you?
Alcatraz, get to higher ground. Air support is on its way.
Alcatraz, we're flying weapons blind here. I need to see targets now. sign Alcatraz. We have your suit signal filed and cross-linked with our weapons. We're gonna need line of sight targeting on the enemy. Please confirm, can do. Call sign Alcatraz. Please confirm line of sight targeting. We are on approach. Target confirmed. Stand by. Incoming in 3, 2...
Shit, man. That was too close. That was...
Down here. Hurry!
Alcatraz, what are you doing up there? You gotta get back here!
Alcatraz, we're out of time. You have to get back here now.
Alcatraz! What the hell just happened out there? We're reading massive seismic activity in...
Sir, you're not gonna believe this. The entire park has just risen out of the ground. We're gonna need an immediate airlift and armed air support, as many aircraft as you can manage, sir.
Understood, Miss Strickland. I'll do what I can. God help you all. Listen to me, Alcatraz. Your air transport is inbound. 6 commandeered cell helicopters. It is all we have, and we are all out of time. Be advised that failing any successful resolution of this situation, the Pentagon have authorized a STRATCOM tactical nuclear strike on the Manhattan structure, effective in 20 minutes. Whatever you plan to do, get up there and do it fast.
Scorpion 1, on approach. This is Scorpion 3, coming up on the plateau. Christ, look at this thing.
Incredible. There. See that sphere? That's got to be the central structure. Get us as close as you can. Alcatraz, you need to get right into the heart of the spore regulator. Once you're in, the suit should take care of the rest. You'd rather take your chances with the nuke. This is the only shot we have.
No hope in hell we're getting near that thing. Ground's too unstable to land. Atmospherics are reading off the chart. You want out? This is as close as we get.
All right, Scorpion 3, drop him off. Alcatraz, we'll shadow you as far as we can.
Good luck, pal. Better you than me.
Alcatraz, we're still up here. I got the suit feed up and running. I'll give you as much technical support as I can, but I'm playing catch-up myself. For now, just work your way up to the spear. I'm right on your shoulder, man. Oh, man. Look at the calving on this thing. Alcatraz, listen. All this bedrock is just hanging off the lithosship structure. It's completely unstable. Could go at any time. You gotta watch for stress fracturing. There, see what I mean?
I think he knows, Gould.
Now I see them. They're everywhere.
Alcatraz, listen to me. Barclay's expeditionary guys got into the park yesterday before they were driven back. And Cell had an evac base here as well. Look for ammo caches. You're gonna need all the firepower you can get.
Alcatraz. We don't have much time. Whatever you did back there in the hive, do it again. Good luck, man. time to stay and fight, man. You gotta get back in there. But make sure you tool up before you... Oh.
They're cloaking, Alcatraz! They're right on you! They're right on you!
Listen, Alcatraz, the spore is reactive. It's a protective system. We need to look for cyborg cabling in the walls. Use the suit to wrench some of it loose.
Hey, dead man. Some trip, huh? Thought I'd gone? Well, I thought so too. Remember me. But the suit, man. Hargreave was right. The suit changes all the rules. They got inside me. The Ceph, they got inside. I had to break the link to the suit, or lose control for good. And you were there, in front of me, dying in front of me. Man, I had to take the chance, give you the chance to finish what I started. It was our only hope. Look at that. Not just New York, not just Lingshan. See, the Ceph have been around forever, man. And they built everywhere. Everywhere. won here today, but this thing isn't even close to over. You and me, Marine, we don't get to die just yet. We gotta go back. Back where we're needed.
Am I reaching the Force Recon Marine just recovered at Central Park? Aware of Jacob Hargreaves' nanoshell? Wait. I'm adjusting the feed. Better. Allow me to introduce myself. Karl Ernst Rasch, at your service. And you are?
They call me Prophet.